Hey there, Matt here again. Now I want to explain our Cold Bain Marie. So this is a 1200 long Cold Bain Marie. You can get them in various lengths, but this would be by far the most popular size, right? So simple and straightforward. I don't have power hooked up to this trailer, so I can't show you in full, right? But essentially, flick this switch, turns it on, okay? And we're gonna adjust the temperature here. And obviously, this is where you keep your cold ingredients. Now, it's a good opportunity to show you how things are mounted in the trailer as well. You'll see here we make these stainless steel brackets, and essentially everything is held down with the actual stainless steel bracket and riveted in and then screwed in most cases to the bench, right? If you want this portable so you can move around, that's doable as well. You just got to remember to move it every time you're moving the actual trailer, okay? Over and above that as well, this Cold Bain Marie can be on any side. It can be when you're serving, it can be on the other side, whichever one you want, right? They come in best part of $1,000, okay? The price varies up and down and so on and so forth, a little bit here and there. It's part of the packages, sort of Maxi Elite and upwards, right? But besides that, if you decide to add one into another trailer, which they'll pretty much fit in any trailer, okay? Basically what would happen is I'd add it on there as a line item, make sure the price is right for you. So hopefully that helps you understand the Cold Bain Marie. You can get them in various sizes, shorter and longer. They go up to about 2 meters, right? So all the way up to here, right? If you want one of those added, just talk to me. If you're watching this video because we've talked about it, I'm just giving you a little bit more info. That's handy as well. Hopefully that helps you. And you can talk to me, office at Food Trailer King. Give us a call on my mobile if we spoke already. Or alternatively, then you can fill in the form at foodtrailerking.com.au/step 3.